In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload HTML file to InfinityFree. Quick and easy, 2026. First, go to the InfinityFree website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, head into the client area and open your hosting account. This is where you'll manage the files for your website, so make sure you're selecting the correct hosting account if you have more than one. From there, open the control panel. Inside the hosting dashboard, look for the online file manager and launch it. When the file manager opens, navigate to the htdocs folder. This folder is important because it's the main web root directory for your site, which means this is where your website files need to go if you want them to appear online. Before you upload anything, take a moment to prepare your HTML files properly. Your main homepage should be named index.html, since that's the file InfinityFree will automatically load first when someone visits your domain. Also, make sure all of your supporting files are ready, including your CSS, JavaScript, images, and any fonts your site uses. It's also a good idea to keep file names simple by avoiding spaces and special characters, since clean file names help prevent broken links and loading issues. A typical website structure might include files like index.html, about.html, and contact.html, along with folders such as CSS, JS, and images. Keeping everything organized before uploading will make the process much smoother. Now go back into the htdocs folder and click Upload. Select your HTML file or files, then wait for the upload to finish completely. If you're working with a larger website or multiple files, uploading a zip file and extracting it afterward can be a faster and more convenient option. Next, upload any additional assets your website needs, such as CSS files, JavaScript files, images, and fonts. Make sure you preserve the same folder structure used on your computer. For example, if your HTML file links to a CSS folder or an images folder, those folders should appear in the same relative location inside htdocs. If the structure changes, your styles or images may not load correctly. Once everything is uploaded, double-check that your homepage file is named index.html. This is what ensures visitors land on the correct page automatically. Finally, visit your domain or subdomain in a browser and refresh the page. Then verify that everything is working as expected. Check that your images load correctly, your CSS styling appears properly, and your navigation links take visitors to the right pages. If all of that looks good, your HTML site is now live on InfinityFree.